Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Classes. Principle of inheritance and variation. Let's study about the inheritance of two genes. Already we have completed the inheritance of one gene topic. Let's study about the inheritance of two gene. Okay. Yes, it is also called as dihybrid cross. Why it is called as dihybrid cross or what is dihybrid cross? Here, a cross made to study the inheritance of two pairs of contrasting traits. So, in this experiment, Mendel selected two pairs of contrasting character, okay, to study the inheritance. So, it is called as dihybrid cross, or it is also called as inheritance of two genes. Mendel selected two pairs of contrasting character. So that is, the first character was the seed form, round seed and the wrinkle seed. You know that the pea plants they produces two types of the seeds. One is the round seed and another is the wrinkled seed, right? So that is the wrinkled seed. So this is the first character selected by the Mendel for his dihybrid cross experiment. In monohybrid cross experiment, he selected the height of the plant, that is tall and the dwarf, right? Only one contrasting character he selected for his experiment, that is called as monohybrid cross. So this is dihybrid. Here one more character, that is the color of the cotyledon, that is yellow and green. So the color of the seed, that is yellow seed and the green seed. Okay, so these two pairs of contrasting character selected for his experiment, so it is called as the dihybrid cross. Okay, so here phenotype of the parents, that is yellow round seed and the green wrinkle seed, that is crossed. Okay, so here pure breeding yellow round seed producing plant and pure breeding green wrinkle seed producing plant, that is selected for his experiment. Then what is the genotype of this selected plant? The genotype of the yellow round seed producing plant, that is yellow, for yellow capital Y, that is dominant over green. Okay, and round is dominant over wrinkle. So for round, capital R is used, and for green, small y, and the small for wrinkle, small r is used. So this is the genotype of the plants. Okay, then when they produce the gametes, so this yellow round seed producing plant produces the gametes that contain capital R and capital Y. Okay, and green wrinkle seed, that gamete contain small y, small r. Okay, so when these gametes fuse and form the new plant, so the new plant have the genotype, so that is having the genotype capital Y, and the small r, sorry, capital R, small r. So what is the genotype of this F1 plant? So that is the genotype of the F1 plant, that is yellow round, because capital Y, that is dominant, and the capital R, that is dominant over the small r. So the F1 plants are producing yellow round seeds. Okay, when these F1 plants are self-pollinated. Self-pollinated means you should cross capital Y, capital R, small r, crossed with self-pollinated, right? Self-pollination. So here capital Y, capital R, small r. So this is the F1 plants. So when the F1 plants self-pollinated and they produces the gametes, and the F2 plants were generated. So in F2 generation, you will find not only yellow round seed producing and green wrinkled seed producing plants. So you can also find yellow wrinkled seed and round green seed producing plant. So here the ratio of this plants, that is 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1. Okay, so let's see this, how this 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1 ratio obtained. So that phenotype ratio obtained in the F2 generation. Let's see the F1, the cross between the F1 plants, the cell pollination between the F1 plants in detail. Okay, so here F2 generation. Okay, so we know in the F1 generation, capital Y, capital R, small r, crossed between capital Y, capital R, small r, right? So these plants, they produces the, these plants produces the gametes, capital Y, capital R, and capital Y, small y, capital R, and small y, small r. So these are the gametes produced by each plant, right? So this plant also produces these gametes, and this plant also produces these 4 types of the gametes. So let's see the possibility of this, the fusion of the gametes. So here, to make this process easier, so we use the Punnett square, right? So Punnett square means we'll find out the F2 generation plants. What are all the plants produced in the F2 generation? Okay, so we'll write the gametes in first column like this, and the gametes produced by the another plant, we'll write here capital Y, capital R, and here capital Y, small r, and third row small y, capital R, and the last one small y, small r, right? Sorry, small I, small r. So this is the gametes. Let's see the plants which are formed in the F2 generation. So you have to add this capital Y, capital Y, capital Y, capital R, right? Then here I'll use the some other, okay, this color only. Next, this gamete with the second one, capital Y, capital R, small r, and this gamete with the this one, capital Y, small y, capital R, right? And the last one, capital Y, capital R, small r. So these all are yellow round seed producing plant, because here capital Y is also there and capital R is also there. So that is similar to the parental generation, right? And let's take the second gamete, capital Y, capital R, small r. Then you see the next combination, that is having capital Y, small r, right? Then that is the that is producing the yellow wrinkle seeds. Then the next one, capital Y, capital R, small r. So here capital Y is there, R is there, so it is producing yellow round seeds. And the last one, capital Y, I'll take some other color here. Okay, I'll take blue color. Capital Y, small r. So here also yellow round seeds are producing. So then here capital Y, small y, capital R, that is same. And here capital Y, small y, capital R, small r. Then here small y is there. So I'll take some other color, small y, capital R, right? Then the last one here also small y, capital R, small r. And the last one, capital Y, capital R, small r. And here capital Y, small y. So better to take some other color. Capital Y, small r, small r. So here is also producing the yellow but wrinkle seeds, right? Then the last one, small y, capital R, small r. And the last one, small r, small y, right? So count the number of plants that is producing round yellow seeds. That is the parental type, right? So here, round yellow seeds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here 9 are round yellow seed producing plants. That is the parental type. Okay. Then let's see, capital Y, small r means yellow wrinkle seeds. Yellow wrinkle, YWL, right? Yellow wrinkle seeds, here 1 and here 2 and 3. So 1, 2, 3 are yellow wrinkle seeds are produced. So that is not a parental type, right? Then yellow wrinkle seeds are not at the parental type. Green wrinkle seeds are in the parental type, right? Then the next one, green GL, right? Green round seeds. Green round seeds, here small y is there, small y, but capital R is there. So 1, 2, 3 are there. So capital R is there means round. Green round seeds, 3 plants, and the last one, wrinkle green seeds. So that is wrinkle green seeds 1. So the ratio is 9:3:3:1. So here round yellow, that is the parental combination, but wrinkle green, that is also a parental combination. But other than the parental combination, here yellow wrinkle seeds are produced and green round seeds are produced, right? So the phenotypic ratio is 9:3:3:1. Okay. So this is the Mendel's dihybrid cross experiment.